Sick of dull skin and brittle hair? What if I told you the answer's been sitting in your kitchen for centuries and you're probably not using it right? Today, we're diving deep into the powerhouse plant, aloe vera. Beyond just sunburn relief, this ancient succulent holds three incredible secrets for transforming your skin and hair that no one talks about enough. Stick around to uncover these game-changing uses that will simplify your beauty routine and save you money. Think about those days your skin just feels angry. Maybe a surprise breakout, razor burn, or just general redness. We often reach for expensive creams, but what if a simple plant could calm it all down? Aloe's anti-inflammatory magic helps reduce swelling and redness, pushing out bacteria and helping your skin heal faster. It's like a gentle hug for your face. Now, let's talk about hair. Ever struggle with a dry, itchy scalp or frizzy, lifeless strands? Chemical-laden conditioners can feel heavy. Aloe vera, rich in vitamins and enzymes, penetrates deeply, conditioning your hair without weighing it down. It also balances your scalp's pH, fighting off dandruff and promoting healthy hair growth. Imagine saying goodbye to flakes and hello to shine. And for the holy grail of beauty, anti-aging. Nobody wants fine lines to sneak up on them. Aloe stimulates collagen production, helping your skin stay plump and elastic. Regular use can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and give you that natural, youthful glow. So, instead of a cabinet full of expensive products, try incorporating fresh aloe gel into your routine for acne, hydration, and an age-defying boost. Your skin and hair will thank you. Click this video right here for more amazing natural beauty hacks.